Welcome back! We got another install for you. This time we got another set of awesome LED sequential tail lights. This time for a 2007 to 2014 Chevy Suburban and Tahoe models. As you can see, this thing is a sleek design. We got a sequential tail light in here, we got a brake light, we got DRL, and it's a super easy install. So let's get into it. We start in the rear of the truck where we first need to remove the OEM tail lights. Open the back and you'll find these two screws on each side. Grab a power tool with the right attachment and make quick work of these two screws. Then grab a wedging tool and carefully start to shimmy the light out. Eventually it'll pop off and you'll find a wiring harness connected to 4 different lights. Delicately twist and pull out each light. Be careful here, as you'll be pulling out the bulbs as well. Once we have the last one out, we can remove the OEM tail light and we'll be ready for the next step with the OEM wiring harness. For the next part, we need to detach these 2 bulbs from the harness. Carefully grab each one from the bottom and pull them out. Now the OEM wiring harness is ready for your new Renegade tail lights. We'll start by plugging in the top socket. Be sure to align the positive and negative sides to each other. Push it in with a bit of force and make sure it clips in tight. Next we have our reverse light bulb to plug in. Line it up and twist to lock it. This next socket is the same as the first one. Line up the positive and negative sides and clip it in. Make sure to tuck the wires in cleanly as you lock in each connector. The final bulb can be found at the bottom. Lock it in and your wiring is almost complete. Lastly, tuck the wire back into the protective conduit on this bottom light. There are 2 points in the bottom and top of each of the new tail lights that force it to align to the right position. Line up the 2 points, press firmly to pop the new light into place. Then just re-screw in the 2 screws and this side is done. Now we just need to repeat this process on the other side. Pop the OEM light out and disconnect the harness. When removing these bulbs, it can be a good idea to give them a wipe to ensure that any oil off our fingers doesn't damage them. Then simply reconnect the wiring harness to the new tail light. Press it into place and secure the 2 screws. Pull away the protective plastic and your Chevy Suburban or Tahoe will be sporting some awesome new Renegade sequential taillights. A sleek and unique design that's available in 3 different color types. Gloss black clear, clear red, and black smoke. Each featuring a new sequential tail light, brake light, and reverse light to always light your way.